How's it going, guys? Hypnotic Exotics here. Welcome back to Hypnotic Highlights. Doing a little update video regarding the 50 or 52 actually Venus Flytraps that I had purchased from LittleCarnivores. So, they took a while to wake up from dormancy, but they are waking up. I am very happy to see that nearly every single pot has some new growth on it. I was going to say there are some exceptions, but after coming out here and checking on it, we have some growth. This guy might be gone. Well, no. We'll see. So, 51 out of 52 flytraps survived the shipping and repotting, which is very nice, and they seem to be liking their new homes. I got them in 10 by 20 trays. I fit about 18 pots per tray, and yeah, they really like the foam cups. This is my first year trying the mountain foam cups. Gotta wait for these guys to go back into dormancy before I repot them. But yeah, water temperatures staying nice and cool, lower than that of the actual day temperatures, which can get up into the 80s, almost in the 90s, midsummer here. A little clump of typical is flowering finally, which is nice. And yeah, really happy with how this is going. The pitcher plants woke up long before the Venus Flytraps. Actually, all of them, save for this minor. This minor took its sweet time, held on to these flowers, never opened them or bloomed, and then put up these two dainty little pitchers. So, that's what I'm working with in regards to the Sarracenia minor. These are two typical hybrids. You got a Leucophila hybrid here and a Psittacina hybrid here. No idea. It could be Dixie Lace, Judith Handel, Judith Bug, whatever. Lots of those. Got a really interesting shape on this anthocyanin free areolata. I'm really curious to see how that picture turns out, because it's weird indeed. My Leia Wilkerson cross Umlauftiana is looking beautiful. If any of you know what to look for in a beautiful pitcher plant, you'll understand that this thing is a showstopper. It is near like phosphorescent. It is beautiful. Moving forwards, the rubras are waking up. These are great. And then we also got a Leia Cross Morii. I'm getting some really nice color on this one. Excited to see what this next one will look like, as it'll be the first picture I've gotten in true full sun. Then also, just past this variegated lemon tree, I noticed a dicomata, split leaf sundew, just popping up out of nowhere. I've done nothing to provide any humidity, any transition. It just came with the plant. And I'm really happy to see that it's surviving and it's still dewy here in Colorado. That's some good news. I'm going to start trying some things outside soon. So that'll be fun. But yeah, this is what I have outside right now. Soon to be much more once I start taking advantage of that table right there. Maybe make another one myself. But yeah, hope you guys like this. Don't forget to like and subscribe.